Welcome to the comprehensive Clipchamp course, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Clipchamp, from its introduction to using its assets, utilizing its free text-to-speech, customizing templates, video editing from scratch, creating a video with AI, and all the ins and outs of Clipchamp. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete understanding of Clipchamp, and you'll be ready to create amazing videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the upcoming videos. I'd really appreciate that. To get started with Clipchamp, if you are using Windows 11 or latest, you'll already have an installed Clipchamp. Go to the search box and type Clipchamp. And here it is. But if you are using Windows 10 or any older version of Windows, go to the Google and type Microsoft Clipchamp if you haven't installed the application. Open this site. Click on Try for free. And it will give you a few options for sign up. If you have a Microsoft account, use that. If you don't have one, you can use your Gmail or any other email address. But I'm gonna go with my Microsoft account. Enter your email and password. Once done, it will show you the home screen. Now you can use Clipchamp here in the browser window, but I'm gonna download the desktop application, and I would recommend you do the same. Open the Microsoft Store, and it will be downloaded. I'll open it. This is the home screen and it works exactly same as in the browser window. On the left sidebar we have Home, then we have Brand Kit, which is a premium feature. With this you can add your brand items and colors, but it's totally an optional feature. For most of you guys, the free plan will be more than enough. But if anyone wants some premium features like premium stock footage, Brand Kit and more, then go ahead and upgrade your plan. Next we have the Templates tab. Here you'll find a lot of free and premium templates which you can use to speed up your workflow. They have categorized the templates for your ease. You have templates for intro, outro, Instagram, YouTube, social media ads, gaming, and much more. I'm sure they'll keep on adding more templates to their collection, which is a good thing. If I hover my mouse pointer over any of the template, it shows me a quick preview, which is very helpful when you're working on a project. You can choose any of the free templates from here, customize it, and use it for your video projects or YouTube or whatever. Moving on, you have the folders option. You can create a new folder, give it a name, and create a video inside this if you want to arrange your videos. You can also move the video files later from one folder to the other, so nothing to worry about. You can click here and start creating your new video inside this folder. But before that, I want to show you something. Let's go back to the home screen. You'll see a button here to create a new video, another button down here, and another in the header. It's the same thing. And then there's this second button that says create a video with AI. This is a new feature, and what it does is, you select a few media files and then you select the video style that you like, and it will automatically compose a new video for you. It'll give it some cool effects and a nice music all by itself. I'll show you how this works later in the course. But for now, let's create a new video. What you see here is the video editor workspace where the actual work is done. First, give the file a name. Now, if you want to go back to the home screen, click on the logo icon and back to home. Here's the video that I'm working on. Click on this icon and here you have the options to make a duplicate of the file. You can move this file into a folder or you can delete it. Let's move this file into the folder that we created earlier. Now if I go to the folder, here I have my video file. Click this file to open the video editor, and let's talk about the workspace quickly. Inside the video editor, on the left sidebar is the content library. The first is the media tab. Here you can add the media file that you want to edit and compile together to create your final video. You can drag and drop your files here, or click on the import and then select your files. The next tab is Record and Create. Here you have 4 options. You can record your screen and camera at the same time with this. If you only want to record your camera, choose this. And if you only want to record your screen, choose this. Let's see how it works. Click here and it will ask you what do you want to capture. You can capture a specific application or you can capture the entire screen. I'm gonna capture the entire screen. Click share and it will start recording everything happening on the screen. Once done, hit stop and it will show you a preview. You can either retake recording if you don't like it, or you can save it. Once you save it, it will be added to your media and the timeline. Next you have text to speech, and this is one of the best features of Clipchamp. You type something here and it will generate a voiceover for you. It gives you a lot of control to adjust the voice. You can choose from a lot of languages and a wide variety of voice options. You can even change the voice style and voice pitch. Exciting, right? And I would say this is one of the best text-to-speech converter among the other freely available tools online today. Let's try it out. I'm gonna type something here and see the preview.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
Sounds great, doesn't it? Let's change a few settings.
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
Wow, it sounds great. You can play with these settings to get your desired result. If I hit save, it will also be added to the media. I can drag and drop it on the timeline wherever I want. Moving on, you have templates. Here you have a lot of free and premium templates. I would recommend you to explore these. In the part 3 of the course, I'll choose a template and show you how you can customize a template completely and how you can add your logo to it. So make sure to watch the full course. The next tab is Music and SFX. Here you get the music and the sound effects, both free and premium version. Then we have stock video. Here you get a good amount of stock footage to use both free and premium. You have backgrounds, overlays, green screen, and a lot of other categories. Alright, next we have stock images. You can explore these and use any images that you find helpful. Then you have the text tab. And here you'll find different types of animated text with some cool effects. Next we have the graphics tab, and here you get a lot of stuff. Inside these categories, there are further subcategories. Then we have the transitions, which are used to connect one shot to the other to make it a smooth shift between shots. At the end we have brand kit. If you have a premium plan, you'll find your fonts, colors, and logos here. Alright, let's talk about some of the basics of video editing in Clipchamp. I'm gonna go to the stock videos and find a video that I can use for this tutorial. I'll use this one. This area is called the timeline, and this is the playhead that indicates the current position of a clip. This is the preview window, and if I select this clip, I get some options in the preview window. I can use these controls to scale down the video. Now if I want to scale it up to fit the screen, I can either manually scale it up, or I can press this button and it will automatically fit the clip to the screen. Then we have some other options here. You can crop the video with this tool. Simply drag it from one side and the other part is gone. You can add some text on this side or add some other video or anything you want. The picture-in-picture option makes the selected clip smaller and places it on the corner of any side. This is very helpful if you are creating a video in which you have a camera recording of yourself. And with this option, you can show the recording of yourself on one side of the video. That is just one possibility. You can obviously get creative and use it the way you want. Let's scale the video back to the fit screen. You can rotate the video, flip it horizontally, and flip it vertically. If you want to change the size of your video, here you'll find some standard video sizes. You can make a portrait video you can make a square size video. You can make video for social media and other platforms. Check them out and select your required size ratio. Let's say you want to create a square video. Select the square size. Now if you select the clip, you can use this option to fill the screen with the clip, or you can press again to fit the whole video inside the screen. You can place your title at the top and subscribe pop-up at the bottom or anything like that. If you want to switch back to the standard widescreen size, select 16:9 ratio size and click this button to adjust the video to fit the screen. Now I'll import another video from the stock library. I'll use this one. Now if I place my playhead at 3 seconds and click on Add to Timeline, it'll add the clip exactly at 3 seconds. If I delete it, move the playhead at 1 second and click on this plus icon, it's gonna add the clip exactly at 1 second. This rule applies to all the library items, so keep that in mind because it might get a little confusing once you start using multiple templates in one video project. I'll move this clip to the bottom to show my previous clip. Now if I scale down my previous clip, I can create something like this. When you select a video clip, you get some options on the right sidebar. You have captions at the top. This is another great feature of Clipchamp. If you have an audio or video clip with some narration or voiceover, click this turn on auto captions and it will automatically generate subtitles for you with the timestamps. Next you have the fade option. If I add fade in, and you can also adjust the time of the dissolve. It will make this clip dissolve into this clip. I'll drag this clip to the right on the timeline and move my playhead to find a spot where both of these clips can blend in better. I'll place it here. Alright, let's see the preview. Looks great. Next we have filters, and you can use these to change the color grading of your selected clip. I'll use this filter. You can adjust the intensity as needed. Then we have effects. You can use these to change the look and feel of your selected clip. The interesting thing is that you can apply more than one effect to a single clip at the same time, so you can combine different effects and create something exciting. Then you have adjust colors. You can play with these settings to change the brightness, saturation, transparency, and blend mode here. I'll be applying this transparency and blend mode in the next part of the course, so make sure to check that out. Finally, you have speed. As the name suggests, you can increase or decrease the speed of your audio and video files. Now I'll add some music to it. I'll use this one and let's see the preview. In video editing, when using music or voiceover, try to sync the audio with the video. Doing so will make your video much more impactful. let's preview it once again, and this time pay some attention to the music. If you notice that at this point, the beat of the music is changing. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll match the music with the video in such a way that the point where the beat changes aligns with this point where the second clip starts. So to do that, I'm gonna trim the music layer from the left side and align it with the top clip. That's it. I'll also add a fade into the music to give it a smooth start. Let's preview it. That's much better. Now I want to split this clip at this point. To do that, I can use the split option. The shortcut is the S key. So if I click this button or press the S key, it's gonna split it. That's how you split a clip. I'll make another cut at this point and then divide this middle clip further into 4 parts, just to show you how with a few clicks using the features of the software, you can create something very cool and interesting. I'll add one cut here and another at this point. I'll select this clip, apply an effect, then scale it up a little bit. On this clip, I'll use some other effect and scale it up. On this, I'll combine 2 effects and scale it up. And on this page, I'll combine 3 or 4 effects. And scale it up. Alright, let's see the preview. Did you see that? Looks so cool. Now I want to duplicate these clips to extend the duration of the video. To duplicate a layer, you can click on this button or press Ctrl+D keys. We don't need fade in on the duplicated clip, so I'll remove it and then make more copies of it. I want to duplicate this clip as well, but as we've split this clip, I'll import the complete clip from the media library. And then make the duplicates. From the audio wavelet, I can see that the music is dropping at this point, so I'll crop the music here press the S key and delete the other part. I'll add a fade out to make a gradual decrease in volume at the end. Alright, let's see the preview. At this point, it feels like the music is playing faster, so I'll make the video clips to play faster as well after this point to sync it with the audio. I'll select this clip and then increase its speed. I'm increasing the speed to align this clip with the end point of the music. Same goes for this clip. Finally, I'll add fade into the starting clip and fade out to the ending clips. Alright, let's see the preview. Looks great. Now to render the video into a usable format, click on this export button. And select your desired resolution. I'll export the video in 1920 by 1080 resolution. The video will be downloaded soon. Here you have some other options. You can generate a link and share it with your friends or clients or any other person. You also have the option to upload your video to any of these platforms, but you'll have to connect it with the platform. The video will be saved to the default downloads folder, but if you don't get this notification, you can click here and choose the location where you want to save the video. So that's it for this video. In the next part of the Clipchamp course, we'll dive deeper into the video editor. We'll talk about green screen, how to use text animation, transitions, blend modes, and some other stuff. So make sure to check the next part. You can find the links in the description. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next video. Just